Even if you buy something small like that, the shipping process, road travel, transfer between places, and approaching destination bring joy and happiness to a person.
Especially for humans.
Iman holds on to the promise of Allah Azza wa Jalla and expects to get closer to Him day by day, hoping to live in the gardens where the servant of the Almighty will be forgiven, included, embraced, and immersed in eternal happiness. This expectation makes him completely hopeful, happy, and belittles all worldly greatness, considering it insignificant. It brings him to a state of mind, an understanding, where he sees everything else as small, just like a satisfied merchant, because he has filled his eyes with another greatness, his dreams and desires for the future, his inclination towards another purpose that transcends the material world and connects him to the divine. You cannot distract them with what they will conquer in this world. They are filled with excitement. It is impermissible to abandon someone else, leaving them helpless and hopeless due to what you have missed experiencing in this world.